Hey, let's go. Cause I'm feeling like I'm winning and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. But I know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Go! See, they really wanna pop me. Just know that you would never flop me. And I know that I could be a little cocky. Whoa. You ain't never gonna. Every time I come a nigga gotta sit it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow and then I gotta show that every little thing a nigga did he be doing. Cause it doesn't matter. Cause I'm gonna murder everything and everything about a boom about a big. Do a lot of things. Give it to a couple niggas that I always with it, then I gotta get it again. Let's go.
Miranda, dito na titigo, di pangit magalona, dito rin plana, wala natin dito. Babagyakan dito, manakupon natin dito. Dito na, ipakatala pa na dito. Pakatala Dito, Miranda, ating dito natin Tico, si Francis Magalona. Dito rin biglat na, wala ka sa atin dito. Babagyakan dito, babalag natin Tico. Tico na naman ang kaya, Dito natin lahat na wala nagkapin dito. Babadyakan dito, kailangan ko mainak ng ating ng badyakan, kidlat na inadobla. Para